Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 3 operations on the large numbers, and this is our revision lecture 1. Today's subtopics are let's rewind exercise, addition and subtraction on the large numbers, and word problems of addition and subtraction. So let's start with our first subtopic, let's rewind exercise. In let's rewind exercise, first of all we will revise these important terms. First is the numbers to be added are called addends. ADDENDS. जिन नंबर्स को ऐड किया जाता है वो कहलाते हैं addends. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 plus 2, the numbers these are added. 3 and 2 are called addends and the result is called sum. Next is the number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. जिस नंबर को subtract किया जाता है वो subtrahend कहलाता है. SUBTRAHEND. Next point is the number from which the other number is to be subtracted is called minuend. जिस नंबर में से दूसरा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है वो नंबर कहलाता है minuend. MINUEND. If we say 10 minus 3, so 10 is minuend and 3 is subtrahend and the result is called difference. Next point is the number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, जो मल्टीप्लाई होता है, which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. 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 Next point is in division sums we use this dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It is a formula which we use for divide and check. For checking we use this formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Dividend GIVIDEND. Divisor DIVISOR. Quotient QUOTIENT. Remainder REMAINDER. Remainder. So you have to write down these spellings at least 2 times in your practice notebook. Learn and write. Next question is add. The two numerals are given. We have to do addition of this. So first of all we will write down in solution the places first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See, commas are inserted according to Indian system. That's why we have written the places according to Indian system. Now we will write down our first numeral. 35 lakh 7,469. Then below this we will write down the next numeral 66 lakh 41,007. Now we will do addition of this. 9 plus 7 16, 6 1 carry, 6 plus 0 6 plus 1 carry will be added 7, 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 1 8, 0 plus 4 4, 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, 1 will be written here in crores place. And here if we are writing 1 here, then nothing is there below this. So our in answer there will also be 1. So after adding we will get this answer 1 crore 1 lakh 48,476. Next question. This question is also from your let's rewind exercise. What will we get if we add the difference of 4,813 and 2,813 to the product of 32 and 40? Digits I am going to change. बुक में आपके जो डिजिट है, लेक्चर में मैंने डिजिट्स चेंज किए हुए हैं समवेयर. So what will we get if we add the difference of? So first we will find out the difference. 4813 minus 2813. After subtracting we will get 2000. 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 2 2. Now product of 32 and 40. 32 multiply 40. 32 4s are 128. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 128, then to the right side we will put one more 0 as it is 40 in place of 4. So we will get 1280. Now here it is written what will we get if we add. हमें क्या मिलेगा अगर हम ऐड कर देते हैं डिफरेंस और प्रोडक्ट को. So we will now do sum. Addition means sum we will do. 2000 plus 1280. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So we will get 3280. So in this single question, there are three different parts to solve. First part is for difference, second part is product, and third is addition. You have to understand the question, then you will solve. Next is replace each box by the correct digit. There can be box, there can be star. We have to remove it by putting the correct digits. So in this question, boxes are made somewhere either in first numeral, then in second numeral, then in third numeral, and after that in sum. So we have to find out the correct numeral, correct digit at these places. Now let's start. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1. So in this box we will write down 7. Now 7 plus 6, 13. 0 is here. If we are writing here 7, 13 plus 7, 20. 0 and 2 will be carry here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 will come in this box. Next is 7 plus 5. 7 में 5 add करिए 12. 0 is here. So it may be 20. So 12 plus 8. If you are writing 8 in this box, 12 plus 8 is 20. 0, 2 will be carry here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And here it is written 6. So we will write down 1 in the box. And next is 3 plus 4. 7. 7 plus 5. 12. 2. 1 will be written in this next box. So after filling the digits, we will get the answer. In first box, 7. In second box, you will write down 7. Here 9. In thousands place, there is one box. You will write down 8. 10,000, there is one box. You will write down 1. And then here, in last box, below crores, you will write down 1. Right? Now next question is arrange in column and subtract. 78,95,432 from 7 crore 24 lakh 68,001. So number name is given here and sum is of subtraction. It means first of all we have to convert this in numeral. After that we will subtract. And look here, from is written. It means this number name is bigger. And here it is 7 crores. So first of all we will write down the places up to crores. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 7 crore. Right here 7 below crore. 24 lakh. 2 4, 24 below 10 lakh and lakh you will write down. 68,000. So 6 and 8 will be written. 1. 100 place there will be 0. Tens place there will be 0. And at ones place there will be 1. Now next number name is 78 lakh. So at crores you will write down 0. 78 below lakhs period you will write down. 95,000. So 95 you will write down below thousands period. Then next is 432. So at ones period you will write down 432. Now this is your simple question of subtraction. Subtract it now. 1 minus 2. It's not possible, so it will take borrow. It will take borrow from here. It is 0. So next is 0. Take borrow from 8. 8 will become 7. This 0 will become 10 and it will give 1 here. So this will become 100 place. It will become 9. 10's place it will become 10. Then again it will give 1 to 1's place. So this 1 will become 11. And here 10's place it will become 9. 11 minus 2, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 9. Not possible, so 6 will take borrow. It will become 16. 16 minus 9, 7. As 4 is given, 1 digit to 10,000 place. So it will become 3. Now, so it will take borrow now. 13 minus 8. 5. 2 has become 1. So this 1 will again take borrow because it is not possible to subtract 7. So it will become 11. 11 minus 7, 4. And 6 minus 0, 6. So we will get 6 crore 45 lakh 72,569. Our next question is simplify. Look here, beta, 3 numerals are given and 1 is of subtraction and 2 are of addition. And simplify. First of all, read these terms. It is 2 crore 63 lakh 84,135 and here 88 lakh 46,726 and here 55 lakh 26,200. Two terms are of addition. So BODMAS we have done previously also. B for bracket, O of, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Bracket we will not do in this chapter. Of is also not there. So we will see these signs: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here in our question addition and subtraction are there. So first we will solve addition as addition comes first in BODMAS. Okay. So first of all in step 1 we will do addition. Two terms are there with plus sign. जिस नंबर के आगे साइन नहीं है वो भी प्लस का होता है बेटे. So we will add first numeral and third numeral. So step 1, write down the places first. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Then write down your first numeral. 2 crore 63 lakh 84,135. Then second numeral 55 lakh 26,200. Do addition. Simple addition is here. You will do addition and after adding you will get 3 crore 19 lakh 10,335. So in this first step we have done addition. Now in step 2, write down the places again. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So now from addition we will do subtraction of this given numeral. So we will write down 3 crore 19 lakh 10,335 and below this we will write down 88 lakh 46,726 and now we will do subtraction. Right? Simple subtraction is here. 15 minus 6, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 will carry from here, it will become 15. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 has become 9 because it has given one borrow here. And it has taken from here, so this will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 is given here, so 8 is left. Now it will take again one borrow. 11 minus 8, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. So after subtraction, we got the answer 2 crore 30 lakh 63,609. In this question, always keep the thing in your mind. If you are getting plus and minus signs, this plus sign can come here, minus sign can come here, no problem. You have to follow BODMAS. Wherever addition terms are there, first of all do addition of those terms, and then you will do subtraction. Now our next question is, how much more is 60 lakh than 48,45,760? But these type of questions are very important to understand, because these are either addition questions or subtraction. If more is there, less is written. But you have to understand the question first. Here it is written, how much more is, आप इसको 60 lakh मत पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए 60 only. How much more is 60 then 48? 60 48 से कितना more है? तो ये समझना इजी हो गया ना कि 60 minus 48 है ना. So it means now we have got that we will do subtraction. So now write down the places. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 60 lakh. Then below this you will write down 48 lakh, 45,760. Then do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so it will take borrow. 10 minus 6, 4. This 0 will become 9. Borrow will be taken from here. This 6 will become 5. Here it will become 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and here 10. So 9 minus 6, 0 minus 0, so here it is no need to take 10. It will be 0 only, and here 10 will be there. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. And 5 minus 4, 1. So, how much more is? It is 11,54,240. So, what will be our answer? 60 lakh is 11,54,240 more than 48,45,760. Next question is, to make 9 crores, what number should be added to the sum of 95,26,532 and 6 crore 96,45,082? टू मेक 9 करोड़, 9 करोड़ बनाने के लिए इन दोनों न्यूमरल के सम में और क्या ऐड किया जाए? इट मीन्स फर्स्ट वी विल डू एडिशन ऑफ दीज टू. Our first step is saying do addition of these two. So write down the places first according to Indian system, as commas are inserted according to Indian system. Below this you will write down your first numeral 95,26,532. Then second numeral 6 crore 96,45,082. Then you will do addition. Addition is very simple, you can do. Okay. After adding you will get 7 crore 91,71,614. अब इसमें क्या और ऐड किया जाए कि ये 9 करोड़ बन जाए? It means you got the answer in your mind, that now we will do subtraction of this sum from 9 crores. Right? Now to make 9 crores, what we will do? We will write down the 9 crore here, and after that we will write down 7 crore 91,71,614, which was the sum. Now we will do subtraction. After subtraction, here you will write down 8. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so it will become 10. It has taken borrow from here. 9 will become 8. This 0 will become 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and here 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. And 8 minus 7, 1. So to make 9 crore, what we want? We want 1 crore 8,28,376. Understood? I have taken all the different questions. so that you can revise. When you will listen this video lecture, you have to do these questions in your practice notebook also. Next question is, the income of a person is rupees 7,780. He spends rupees 4,000 on house rent, rupees 1,575 on education of his child, and rupees 1,775 on provision. Find his savings. So let's understand the question first. एक पर्सन की इनकम गिवन है हमें 7,780. इस इनकम में से वो खर्च करता है 4,000 हाउस रेंट के लिए, 1,575 अपने बच्चे की एजुकेशन के लिए, और 1,775 ऑन प्रोविजन. प्रोविजन होता है खाद्य सामग्री, भोजन पे खर्च करता है. फाइंड हिज सेविंग्स. उसके कितने पैसे अब बच गए उस मंथ में, मतलब मंथली सेविंग क्या होती है. सो मनी स्पेंड ऑन हाउस रेंट रुपीज 4,000, मनी स्पेंड ऑन एजुकेशन 1,575, मनी स्पेंड ऑन प्रोविजन रुपीज 1,775. टोटल मनी स्पेंड, अब ये सारा मनी तो उस पर्सन का खर्च हो गया, दैट इज 7,350 रुपीज इज हिज एक्सपेंडिचर, जो मनी उसका खर्च होता है. टोटल इनकम में से अगर हम इस मनी को जो खर्च हो गया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट द मनी लेफ्ट विद हिम, और वी कैन से मनी सेव्ड बाय द पर्सन. So income of the person rupees 7,780. Money spent by a person rupees 7,350. Total money saves. We will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. So money saves is rupees 430. Next question is, in a town there are 3 libraries. The total number of books in these libraries are, एक टाउन में 3 लाइब्रेरीज हैं, टोटल बुक्स दे रखी है यहाँ पे 4,92,740. Find the number of books in third library if the first and second libraries have 2,20,970 and 2,60,730 books respectively. फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरी में इतनी बुक्स हैं, सेकंड लाइब्रेरी में इतनी बुक्स हैं, टोटल भी मालूम है, तो थर्ड लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स निकालनी है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेम एज वी हैव डन इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू एडिशन ऑफ दिस बुक्स प्रेजेंट इन लाइब्रेरी 1 एंड फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरी एंड सेकंड लाइब्रेरी. देन टोटल में से अगर हम इन बुक्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो रिमेनिंग हो जाएंगी द बुक्स इन थर्ड लाइब्रेरी. अंडरस्टूड? सो नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन द फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरी 2,20,970. Number of books in second library 2,60,730. Total books in 2 libraries. We will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 3, 10. 0, 1 will be carry here. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 7, 1 carry. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. So these are the total books present in 2 libraries. 4,81,700 बुक्स. 2 लाइब्रेरीज की टोटल बुक्स हमने ऐड कर ली और 3 लाइब्रेरीज की टोटल बुक्स हमें गिवन है 4,92,740. बुक्स इन 2 लाइब्रेरीज 4,81,700. नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन थर्ड लाइब्रेरी, अगर 3 लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स में से 2 लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें थर्ड लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स मिल जाएंगी. सो नाउ वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. Here after subtraction you will get 11,040 books in third library, right? And subtraction is a very simple subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So 11,040 books are there in third library. Next question is, the total number of students in classes 10th and 12th in all the schools of a small village is 52,324. Out of these, 20,126 are girls. How many are boys? So this is a simple question. क्लास 10th और 12th के एक स्मॉल विलेज के स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं? 52,324. आउट ऑफ दिस इनमें से 20,126 गर्ल्स हैं. तो हमें बताने हैं कि 10th और 12th के नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कितने हैं इस विलेज के. सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन क्वेश्चन. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? राइट. सो वी विल राइट डाउन total students, or you can write down total students of class 10th or 12th, 52,324. Number of girls 20,126. Number of boys we will do subtraction. टोटल में बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों हैं. गर्ल्स का गिवन है तो बॉयज का निकालने के लिए हम माइनस कर देंगे. 4 minus 6 not possible, so it will take 1 borrow. It will become 14. 14 minus 6 8. 2 will become 1, so it will again take borrow. It will become 11 and this 3 will become 2. 11 minus 2 9. 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 0 2. 5 minus 2 3. So number of boys are 32,198. Next question is, what must be added to 6,54,32,108 to get the sum as a greatest 8-digit number? Beta, these type of questions we have done in this lecture previously also. What must be added or what must be subtracted? This is your example in your book. Now here it is greatest 8-digit number. 6,54,32,108 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि वो ग्रेटेस्ट 8-digit नंबर बन जाए? So first of all we should know that the greatest 8-digit number is 9,99,99,999. This is sum of the numbers. What must be added? So one number is given to us. Other number we will find out by subtraction. So we will add on sum of two numbers. To get the sum. Sum is given. So sum of two numbers. 9,99,99,999. One number. 6,54,32,108. Other number, subtract now. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. So, other number is 3,45,67,891. Right? So now I have taken all type of addition and subtraction sums, whether these are arrange in column and add or these are word problems. I have taken all, whether these are your examples or exercise or from your worksheet also I have taken. So it's your duty to revise it very, very carefully. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do assignment 1 of chapter 3 in practice notebook. Assignment will be uploaded on EdQuark website. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.